In today's video, I'm going to go through the basics of some of the things that you need to know on your Tesla. It doesn't matter if you just took delivery of your Tesla, congratulations, or if you're renting a Tesla, or if you have been a Tesla owner and you just forgot how to do some of these things. Starting off with the key card. With your Tesla, whenever you purchase your Tesla, you're going to have a key card that you can access your Tesla for the first time. The first thing is how to get inside of your Tesla and also how getting outside of your Tesla. So what you're going to do is you're going to take the key card, you're going to come right over here to the door pillar, and you are going to take the key card and press it right here, and watch this. The car is now unlocked. So once inside of your Tesla, in order to get out of your Tesla, you do not want to pull the emergency release button, only for emergencies. If not, you can ruin the trim on the window. However, you will push the button right here and the door will open. So once getting out of your car, you're gonna close the door. Now, when I first had delivery and took delivery of my Tesla, I had a problem with this because I thought that having the key card and walking away from the car will automatically lock. But with the key card, that is not the case. You're gonna reverse the process. You're gonna come over here to the center door pillar and you're gonna press it. Now the car just locked. Now that we got inside of our Tesla, we're going to go on and set up our driver profile. This is important because now anytime you get inside of the car will automatically adjust to your settings. We're talking about mirror, steering wheel, and seating. So let me show you real quick how you can set up your driver profile. So first, setting up your driver profile, we're going to go at the top where it's a little person there. Right now it says recording. If you are just getting into a Tesla, it may say easy entry or something like that, but we're going to press that little guy anyway. We're going to select driver profile. Then after that, I'm going to click on driver profile settings, and from here, entering your name, I'm just going to call my name subscribe. So make sure you subscribe if you find value in this. Now, the first thing they're going to already give you the options for is the mirror. I'm going to click there. With selecting and setting up your settings on your driver profile, you are going to use the left scroll wheel on your steering. Over here on the steering wheel, I am going to go up and down. By going up, I am adjusting the mirror. It's going up and down, left and right. If I want to go over to the right hand side, I'm going to come over to the screen. I'm going to click on right. Now I'm going to adjust it by going left, right, and all of this is using the scroll wheel. The option for a mirror auto tilt, that's like if you're backing up and you want to see the lines in the parking lot. Mirror auto fold, so whenever you're getting out of the car in parking situations, it will fold the mirror. And at night, this comes in handy. Mirror auto dim, so whenever lights are hitting the car, it will automatically dim. And after you get your situation where you would like it, you just click on save. Right here, again, with the steering wheel. So by using the left scroll wheel, you can go up, down, if you see it moving. In is whenever going to the left, right is going to take the telescope in. So you just pretty much play with it until it's where you would like it, and save. So anytime that you get in the car, after you set your settings, the car will automatically go there. And you can also do this along with your seats. So if you decide to adjust your seats, and you can do that by simply using the buttons right here on the side. Right here is going to take the seat up, up, down, forward, backwards. This right here is selecting the seat. Watch this. We're going moving closer. We're relaxing a little bit, moving backwards. And this button right here is your lumbar support. So you just play with that. And all of that will automatically adjust to your driver profile. So look here, I'm going to move my seat and look what's going to happen. Now, if you can see there, it's going to say would you like to save it or restore. So I click on save there, if you saw that. Now, anytime that I get in and select my driver profile, it's going to go to where I last set it. Congratulations. Now that we have our driver profile set up, we're going to talk about how to actually start driving your Tesla. From here, we're going to take our key card and I'm going to show you how to start driving. Because unlike a traditional car, there is no key that you put in, and there are no key fobs, because if you put your foot on the brake ready to go, you're going to get a message and it's telling you to put your key card right behind the cup holder there. You just tap it there one time and now we are ready to go. So that's all it takes in order to start driving your Tesla. And the beauty with Tesla is I don't even really use the key card at all, because as long as you have the Tesla app installed on your phone, you can use your phone as your key. They call that phone key. That's a clever name, right? And with phone key, you just pretty much, with the Tesla app, set up Bluetooth on your phone if you have an Apple device or an Android, and your phone is your key. So you never really have to use your key card. This is just for emergencies, if you're having your car service or something like that. Honestly, in 29,000 miles driving this car, over a year of driving, I really never had an emergency situation where the phone did not work. I always use the phone, not the key card. So after you set up your key, now you are ready to drive. So in order to go forward on your car, the only thing you're going to do is put your foot on the brake and you're going to push down all the way. Now the car is in drive. In order to put the car in park, on the end of the drive stalk, you're going to push in one time. Now the car is in park. If you want to go in reverse, you're going to take the drive stalk and you're going to put your foot on the brake and go all the way up. Now we're in reverse and you can see the cameras are there. Now, if you want to put the car in neutral, don't go all the way up until you hear it click. You're just going to push it up slightly. Now, put your foot on the brake, of course. You're going to put it there. Now the car is in neutral. We just start rolling there. And especially, this is something that they don't tell you. If you want to put the car in emergency park, yes, you can go through the settings, or you can just hold the button on the end of the drive stalk for about 2 seconds. 1, 2. Now it is an emergency park. This comes in handy, especially when parking on steep inclines and hills. And also, your climate control in your car is like none other. You can adjust the temperature, the degree setting right here. You can actually split it over here, so your passenger can have one temperature setting, you can have the other, or you can just have them all together. If you stroll up from anywhere on the bottom of your screen, you're going to get the whole climate control menu. Now, this is kind of cool. With a Tesla, the vents are hidden and everything is controlled electronically. So if I want the air to flow certain ways, I just move my finger around on the screen. Now I feel the air pushing up. If you want it down, the same thing with the passenger. This is really fun. It's real convenient. You don't have to keep just like saying, okay, that's not right, that's not right. You pretty much say where you want the air to go and it will go. And the rear vents is as well. You can turn them off, you can turn them on. You have heat warmers on all 5 seats. So even the one in the middle back there, you do have heat warmers there. You can schedule when you want the AC and things to run. You have a keep mode. If you're running out real quick and you don't want the car to get like 100 degrees, just because you went in just like for 2 minutes, you can put on keep and it will keep the temperature. If you have a fluffy friend and you want to put your dog in there, that's pretty cool as well. And the car will say, hey, my owner will be back. If you're out camping, it's going to keep the car pretty much running in a low stage of charge until it reaches 20%. So in order to control the lighting in your car, one of the easiest ways to do is pull back your left drive stalk one time and your lighting menu will come there. You can do auto, on, or parking. Or if you want a more detailed, you can go right over here to your menu, come over here, and you're going to see the light in here. So you can turn off your light, parking light on, or auto. I always just keep mine on auto, the auto high beams right there. Or if you go down to lights, you can even control with your fog lights, your dome lights, ambient lighting. And these are additional settings. If you want your auto high beams, I always keep that on. And steering wheel lights, it's not really much. It's just a little light here, there, and there. I really wish, like, even if they had a light around the Tesla emblem, that would have been nice. And you can do so much more with your car. The same way that you have voice command on your phone or just a Google Home at home, you can tell your car what you want it to execute with voice command features. Watch this real quick. So you're just going to press the right scroll wheel right here and watch this. Set the temperature to 78 degrees. And as you can see there, the car is now getting warmer. And I show you 18 different voice commands that you need to know about your Tesla in the video right there. Make sure you check it out. Subscribe by clicking the icon right here. And that way you don't miss another video. And I will see you in the next video.